nice ring.
Asuntoskeittiö Lappeenrannan Reimari, Pikisaarenkatu 46 in Pikisaari, Lappeenranta.
Sounds like a Gen2.
Yeah.
Really Gen2. 2001.
Wow!
This is so cool, and old lights and arrow. And this I like this, but the bad doors.
Yeah.
Built in 2001. Otis Gen2 B1 E3275.
This is better than the first elevator we
Yeah.
have here. So this is good.
Yeah. Nice sound. I like this.
Same here.
I like the Gen2 block sound or the motor sound. Really nice.
But I think this has the motor room because it has ladders too.
8 pössöä 630 clippings.
So Otis Gen2 with the machine room?
Actually, it could be the what it is. Pyörästökomero.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, is this hydraulic? No.
HR.
But why it would have?
Inspected by inspector, maintained by Otis or nowadays scrap this. Fifth floor.
Oh, it's
Why did this cut go?
both axes,
Yeah.
but it's locked.
You also talked that Pikisaarenkatu 38 has hydraulic brake filter.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Because I'm HR.
Yeah. No, you're not HR.
Yeah.
But you are.
I can say every elevator enthusiast or filmer can have some mistakes sometimes.
It's a birdish.
Not the bird, but anyway. That's the gravity door.
Yeah.
Holding. Yep.
Yep. So
That's it.
that's it.